Welcome home to 135 Courtland Avenue, located in a lovely downtown Montford neighborhood. This home has unparalleled access to downtown Asheville's restaurants, shops, and entertainment. The list of amenities is endless. Enjoy relaxing on the rocking chair covered front porch and step into this home's welcoming living room. This incredible home offers an open floor plan, large kitchen with beautiful cabinetry and plenty of counter space. Just off the kitchen is a serene upper deck that overlooks the greenery in the backyard. This popular Craftsman style home was built in 2006. The master bedroom and laundry are on the main floor. The master is large with walk-in closet and a gorgeous slate tile bath. The two large bedrooms upstairs share a custom tile bathroom. The finished lower level has two enormous bonus rooms, a custom library with sitting area, and a full bathroom. The large deck is perfect for entertaining and relaxation. Don't let this unique opportunity pass you by. This home is move-in ready and waiting for you. Make your appointment today to see this impressive Montford home.